Welcome back to English for Future. Today we are going to read a story together. Lots of heart. Are you ready? Let's go. I am making cards. I have paper, tape, and paint. My dog wags her tail. She wants to help, but I say no. I make lots of heart. I make a card for my dad. It has a pink heart and red roses on it. I hide it in his book. I make a card for my mom. It has a red heart and pink balls on it. I hide it in her boot. I make a card for my fish. It has a blue heart and a yellow shell on it. I tape it to the fish bowl. And I make a card for my dog. It has a green heart and a big bone on it. I hide it in her doghouse. Now I say to Dad, "Look in your book. You will find a card." Dad looks, but there is no card. I say to Mom, "Look in your boot. You will find a card." Mom looks, but there is no card. I go to the fish bowl. There is no card for the fish. I go to the doghouse. Here are the cards. My dog has all the cards, and my dog also has a big surprise for me. My dog had puppies. What a happy Valentine's Day!